In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create video start and end frame using OpenArt AI. We'll walk through the exact workflow to set up a clean beginning and ending for your AI-generated video, and I'll share practical tips along the way so you get a polished result on the first try. Start by opening your browser and heading to the OpenArt Suite home. Once you're in, look to the left-hand sidebar and click on Video. This takes you to the Video tools. From there, choose the Start/End Frame option. This is the workspace designed to control how your video begins and wraps up, giving you a consistent look and a clear narrative handoff. Next, choose a model. The model determines the style, motion behavior, and overall feel of your output. If you're unsure, hover over the options to read their descriptions and start with a balanced, general model. You can always come back and swap it later. Now set the start frame. You'll see a spot where the start frame lives. Click into that area to make it active, then select Add a Start Frame. When your file picker opens, choose the image or frame you want to begin with and click Open. A good start frame is clean, well lit, and aligned with the mood you want for the video. High contrast subjects and uncluttered backgrounds typically produce smoother motion and fewer artifacts. You'll also see a field to describe your video. This is optional, but it can help the model understand intent and style. Keep prompts short and specific, like cinematic lighting, warm tones, subtle camera drift, and avoid stacking too many conflicting directions. Next, decide on sound effects. If you're exporting with audio, pick a sound option that matches the pacing of your visual. If you plan to add music or sound later in your editor, it's fine to leave this off. Choose a mode. Different modes prioritize speed, quality, or particular motion characteristics. If you're testing ideas, start with a faster mode. For final renders, switch to the higher quality option to reduce flicker and improve detail. Under Output, confirm the key settings. Match the aspect ratio to your destination, like vertical for mobile or widescreen for desktop. Select a resolution your machine and timeline can handle smoothly, and keep duration in mind so your start and end moments feel intentional rather than rushed. When everything looks right, click Generate. Let the render finish, then preview your result. If something feels off, adjust your prompt, try a different model, or refine the start frame and generate again. With these steps, you'll quickly create consistent, professional-looking video openings and endings using OpenArt AI.